What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to delete Snapchat account. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Snapchat application. Once you're there, head over to your Bitmoji on the upper left corner and then go to the settings option on the upper right and scroll down until you find this option of your help center. And then ask delete Snapchat account. And from here you will find your match of deleting your account, and by then you can just follow the instructions they say. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.